What's going on, everybody? Quick thing on how to test a relay, sort of. We're going to show you something a little different here. I don't know if I've shown this on here before about how to check a relay, sort of. So right now, as you can see, the truck is kind of turned on. But if you come over here, you see that the dashboard is turned off. The truck should be on right now, but what's happening is this relay controls the entire truck, so it's not turning on. This relay is controlled by a little relay that's mounted on the board inside the tracker. So generally speaking, what we do to see if the internal relay is bad, which they typically are, you hold the relay in your hand so you can feel the click. Grab this. Smack, smack. And now the dash comes on. There's a bunch of errors because half the truck's been turned on the whole time. But now, turns on just fine. So, if you suspect there's a relay problem, let's see if it'll do it again. Because it's not unusual for little relays to kind of get welded. And I think these relays are just rated just enough to control the bigger relays. But let's see if it turns on this time. Sorry for all the beeps. Nope, turned on that time. That's interesting. It turned on, but the truck's not. There it is. See that little yellow light on. So, in conclusion, if you're not sure if a relay's stuck, try smacking on it, because it's not always going to help, but sometimes that gets things moving. And that's what happens to these trackers a lot. So figured I'd show you that and go from there. So have a good one. I'll probably talk to you this weekend, and be groovy to each other. See you.